How to become a truck driver. Here are 5 things you need to know. Number 1, make sure trucking is right for you. Truck driving jobs provide steady pay and can be a great career choice, but it isn't easy. Do some research and chat with seasoned truck drivers to get a better sense of what it's like to make sure it's right for you. Number 2, meet the requirements. There are state and federal requirements, as well as employer requirements, which include a commercial driver's license or CDL, good hearing and eyesight, a clean record of drug and alcohol use. Number 3, get the training. You must complete a driver's training course. Most prospective drivers get formal training to prepare for the CDL test. Number 4, find the right company. Finding the right company that offers driver benefits and incentives is vital to your success as a trucker. Number 5, upgrade your ride. Having the right seat can make all the difference for those long hauls. At Suburban Seating and Safety, we offer a variety of truck seats, accessories, and more. Check with your potential employers to make sure your truck will be fitted with everything you need for a smooth ride. And browse our website for inspiration or call us at 844-727-7328 to learn more about any of our products.